In this video, I want to go ahead and show you how you can make a pro account on TikTok. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this is a super simple process to do, guys. The first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is come over to TikTok, and then once you've come over to TikTok, what you need to do is click on these three dots in the top right corner. And then as you can see at the top of the page, there is an option for manage account. Click on that. And then once you've clicked on manage account, right down there under account control, there is an option to switch to pro account. Go ahead, select that. And then what it will do is it will bring up this little window here, and you've got two options from here. You've got creator option and a business option. So go ahead and choose whichever is relevant to you. So if you're a creator, pick creator, and if you're a business, go ahead and click business. For this example, I'll go ahead and click on creator. And then choose a category. So you've got a various amount of categories here. You can go ahead, you can choose art, beauty and fashion, entertainment, and all things like that. So make sure you go ahead, choose which is relevant to you. And for this example here, I'll just go ahead and I'll click on brand. And then next you'll have to go ahead and choose your gender. So I want to click on male for this one. And then go ahead, click on done. And then as you can see, welcome to your creator account. So as you can see, guys, it's that simple to go ahead and create a pro account on TikTok. So if this video did help you out, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.